number 417. It's a 1992 Ford L8000. This is a special heavy-duty monster truck. This belongs to the City of Hialeah Fire Department Fleet Maintenance. This is the truck that goes around the road supplying hydraulic fluid, carries diesel. It carries a whole bunch of fluids it would carry to take with it to different locations throughout the city. So this truck, the city finally purchased a new one, and this one has got to go. The tires look good, the rims look good, the motor sounds great. It's got a Ford 7.8 liter inline, sounds really good, started right up. It's got an automatic transmission. It does not have factory air conditioning. It looks like they just put an alternator on there. Looks new. Motor's running like a champ. Idling nice and smooth. Get a little bit of moisture down there. The tires look good. Let me close the engine. Well, let me show you this side first. The motor sounds really good. The air brakes build up pressure quickly. It's an old school truck. They don't make them like this anymore. It's got a little fiberglass damage there. It says here, Fire Rescue Support Service. And then here it says Hialeah Fleet Maintenance. The decals were removed, but you can still read it. All right, so let me show you the truck. Got a little surface rust on the step, on the door, on the bed. This is a real thick, all steel, heavy-duty bed. And I'm gonna tell you how big it is. I don't know, I never measured it. I didn't get to measure it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16 feet long is the deck. All right, and then you have a lower deck, a step down, and that deck over here is another 2 feet, maybe almost 3, 2.5. And this one holds all the hydraulic hoses. This one's dry rotted right there. This one, they all may be not good, but I'm just showing you what they were using this truck for. So it says here diesel, transmission fluid, hydraulic fluid, oil, and coolant. So all these things they used to carry on this truck to service their big, you know, the fire department fleet, those big fire trucks with the ladder trucks and all that. You got toolboxes on both sides. It's got a very nice deck. Look at this leaf springs. Look at this, how heavy duty that is. That's a monster. Very big. And it's got 2 differentials, so the both axles in the back. Let me see if I can show you. There's one, and there's the other back here. There's the other. So they're both connected. So I don't know what that makes it, a 6x4? I don't know. I don't know what that makes it. But the truck, let me show you the inside. Here you have this fuel cube. That's for fuel. I don't know much about this. Let me see if I can show you something. Ugh. All right, this fuel tank, it says 2,000 liters, 528 gallons. Model number is FCP 500. All right, here you have, I don't know, this is a special fuel tank. This must be for diesel, I guess. But it's a special tank, and it looks in good condition here. It says UL 142. Maybe you can, I'll take a picture of that, and that way you'll see it. Here you have a tank for waste oil, and here's another tank, I don't know for what. The top of the roof looks good. It's got the amber light bar on top. You got little surface rust spots all over. See on the window. Let me go inside. Oh, wait, I gotta get down. You got a little surface rust on the bed, but the bed is solid. Hold on. All right, here we go. All right. This door is hard to open and close. You gotta throw it. And see a little surface rust there, but the floor is good. Just the rubber, the small little tear there. The seat looks, and no rips, no tears, just shows normal wear, you know, like sinking on the edge. The steering wheel is nice, original Ford. The dash looks good. The headliner's torn. Sun visors are okay. Look at the gauges are not working. All right, the only gauge working is the oil gauge right here. And the tire pressure gauge works. And that's it, old school. Listen to that engine. Look at the RPMs right here. Motor sounds really good. All right, and there's the automatic transmission. Shift the lever. I believe it's a 4-speed. I can't tell. It's not legible there. The air brakes work. There. Look at all that pressure. 120 pounds. And that's pretty much it. This is a good old truck. It still has more years to go. So, gotta give it a little bit of love, fix the gauges, and, you know, maybe paint it. All right. Good luck.